Hello and welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to write capital letter O. So let's begin. O is probably one of the easiest letters to write. Just draw a circle. Like this. Now let's look at some words that begin with O. O, oat. O, orb. O, own. One. The word one cannot be said phonetically, so you have to remember how it's pronounced. Out. The word out has the ow sound at the start. O-U make the ow sound. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.